Bert here, and today we're going to talk about empty spaces. As you can see, there's a lot of space around me. Well, it's because I was walking through the forest, through this luscious, green, thick, dense forest, and I needed a spot to rest. Sometimes you need a spot to rest to kind of, just to kind of look around and absorb the weather and absorb nature. And you can look up at the sky, and it's great because now you can see the sky. And you can set up a tent here and go camping. Wow, look at all this empty space. That is amazing. And as you can see, you can look up and look at the sky. Oh man, what a perfect spot to pitch a tent.